Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by turning on memberships so emoji can exist. You must meet YouTube eligibility, so check monetization. Once memberships is enabled, prepare your emoji files, 256 by 256 PNGs with transparent backgrounds and under 128 KB so they upload cleanly. Next, open YouTube Studio, go to Monetization, select Memberships, and choose the option to manage loyalty or member perks. This first action unlocks the emoji interface, so you can begin adding custom graphics that members will use. Once done enabling, go to Member Perks and open Custom Emoji. You upload each prepared PNG and give it a concise name so members recognize it quickly. Make sure to assign emoji to the correct membership tier. This controls who sees and uses each icon. After uploading, preview the emoji in live chat and community posts. Make sure it scales and reads at small sizes. If cropping or resizing is needed, adjust your source image and re-upload until the emoji looks sharp in context. Finish by saving all changes and announcing the new emoji to your members, showing examples so they know how to use them. If an emoji fails to appear, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, and verify the emoji is assigned to the member tier you're testing with. Make sure file names contain no special characters and that size limits were respected. If problems persist, re-export the PNG at 256 by 256 and re-upload. One key tip: always keep organized backups for fast fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.